So guys, Google has just released the latest model of the Google AI Studio, and in today's video I want to show you how you can use it specifically if you're looking to start some sort of a side hustle from the comfort of your own home. There's some interesting upgrades that they've made to it, methods that you probably don't even know that you can use with it, and I'm hoping that by the end of this video you're going to get a simplistic understanding as to how the Google AI Studio works if you're someone that's never used it before, or maybe you've tried to use it and you don't see the benefit. So I'm going to log into my account and quickly show you the interface. So once you log in, this is what you're going to see. And the way that the Google AI Studio works, for those of you out there that's not really familiar with it, is that you can use the majority of the different Google AI tools directly in it to help you do a range of different things. So if I just click on the right hand side, over here, we've got all of these different models. We've got Gemini, we've also got Nano Banana, we've got VO, we've got Omni, we've got music AI tools, agent AI tools. We've got so many different things if you want to build an app. But today I'm going to be keeping it simple, and I'm going to be showing you how the Google AI Studio can help you build and start a faceless YouTube channel by assisting with creating the actual videos. This is one of the many side hustles that I've been talking about on this channel because it's super easy to get started with, as long as you've got a laptop and an internet connection. And in reality, you don't even need a laptop. If you've got a mobile phone, you can get started with this. But yeah, there's a way that Google AI Studio is going to be able to help, because for those of you that don't know, there's going to be multiple different parts that goes into a faceless video. We've got the actual visuals, we've got the audio, we've got the script, there's so many different ones, and the Google AI Studio can help with every single one of these. But before I move any more forward, I'm going to log into my Digital Maker AI account, because on the left hand side over here, what I can do is find a channel that's worth replicating. So this is being updated on a daily basis, this Faceless Finder. 99% of these channels that you can see within the Faceless Finder are going to be completely faceless, and they're most likely going to be AI generated as well. So this is a good starting point for you to find a channel that you might want to build and kind of copy the style, as long as you can see that they're successful. Because if I just go over here, click into niches, what I'm going to do is click into psychology. And then what I'm going to do is sort the results from highest to lowest in terms of estimated revenue. And as you guys can see over here, there's this channel that is doing quite well. You guys can see on the screen right now the estimated AdSense revenue, and that's just one income stream. And what's interesting about this channel is that they've been able to get over 15 million views, and the channel hasn't even been around for more than 1 year. And one other interesting thing about channels just like this is that the style of videos that they're making are very easy to replicate, because if I just click into, let's say, this one over here, as you guys can see, all it is these different images that appear on screen. So there's no actual person, no real voice. It's an AI voice, and there's no videos as well. It's just simple images that are stitched together, and it's being narrated by an AI voice. And this is something that the AI Studio can actually help you build. So I'm just going to go back over to it. And the way that the AI Studio is going to be able to help you, firstly, it can help you generate the script. So word for word, what's going to be said in the video, you can use the AI Studio for that. Secondly, it can help you with each different scene. So the concept for each different scene, what's going to happen one after the other, the AI Studio is going to be able to come up with that idea as well. Thirdly, it can help you generate the actual images. So similar to what you saw on that channel that I just showed you, the AI Studio is now going to be able to generate the images directly within the platform. And lastly, you can also use the AI Studio to generate the actual voiceover. So you don't need any microphone or anything like that. You can use the AI Studio to generate the actual voice. So we're going to start off with using it to generate the script as well as each individual scene. And the way that we can get that prompt is to go back over to Digital Maker AI. The one that you're going to need to select is going to be Nano Banana, because this is what we're going to use for the image generation. So I'm just going to select it like that and say that I want to create a faceless YouTube video. For the title of the video, I'm just going to go back over to the channel that we're replicating and get one of their popular videos. So there's this one that I came across where in the last 2 weeks, they were able to get over 34,000 views. So I'm just going to copy this one. The next question is, do I already have a script ready? I'm going to say no, and that I want the AI Studio to generate it for me. Let's go with that. How do I want the video to look? I'm going to say motivational /dark moody, because that matches the video that we're replicating. How long do I want the video to be? I'm going to say 1 to 3 minutes long because I'm only using this as an example just to show you guys how it works. Is there a main character or subject? I'm going to say no. And what format do I want? I'm going to say 16:9 landscape. That is YouTube. And then I'm going to click on generate prompt. Okay, great. So it's going to be with this prompt now that I'm going to go back over to the AI Studio. And I'm going to leave it on Gemini 3.5 Flash. I'm going to paste the entire prompt in there like that. And I'm also going to leave the Google search on so that it can come up with the best research for the script as well as the scenes. And right there, as you guys can see, the AI Studio is now writing everything out one by one. So I'm just going to leave it to do its thing. It's probably going to take another 30 seconds for it to complete. Okay, there we go. So it seems like it's already done. So what you're going to need to do from here is just click on the play button. And this is going to give you the script as well as the individual scenes. So I'm just going to make it full screen so we can get a better look. But it's going to be with everything that you can see on the screen that I'm now going to be able to get a ready to watch YouTube video where I don't need to show my face. So the first thing is to generate the scenes. So what I'm going to do is just click on scenes and then I'm just going to copy all scenes. So as you can see, we've got scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, so on and so forth. This is what's going to make up the entire Faceless video. And to do that, you just need to make sure that you select the right model. So you can select any one of these different Nano Banana models, whether it's Lite, Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Pro. I'm just going to leave it on Nano Banana 2 for now. And then I'm just going to paste everything in there just like that. For the aspect ratio, we're going to leave it on landscape. So we need to select 16:9. And for the resolution, you can select 1K, 2K, 4K. I'm just going to select 2K in this case, leave everything else the same and then click on run. And there we go. It's now come back with the first scene that's going to appear in this video. So what I'm going to do is just type in next so that it can get the second scene. And there we go, just like that. It's now come back with the first image. So what I can now do is type in next and it should generate the second scene. And this is going to be a little bit of a manual process, and don't worry guys, I'm going to be showing you a more automated way that you can get started with a Faceless channel by simply pressing a couple buttons and getting a fully edited video returned back to you. But we've now got the second scene and you just need to keep typing in next until you've got every single image. So that should be enough for the example that we're working with today. So now that I've got these different images that's going to go into the Faceless video, what I'm going to do is just click on download. And now that I've got the images saved directly on my computer, the next thing is going to be for me to generate the actual AI voiceover. So I'm just going to go back over to this blueprint that the AI Studio gave us. I'm going to click into script and I'm going to generate a AI voiceover for the initial part of the script. Let's just copy this and then go back over to it. And what we need to do is change the model by clicking on audio. And as you can see, there's all of these different TTS models, which stands for text to speech. So the one that I'm going to select is going to be this one. And basically all you need to do is just paste in the script that you're working with. So in this case, it's going to be this part of the script. So what I'm going to do is just click on run so we can hear exactly how it sounds. I'm just going to click on play.
In a world drowning in endless noise, the average man is constantly distracted.
Okay, so that doesn't sound bad at all. So far in this video, you saw me use the Google AI Studio to generate the script, the AI voiceover, as well as each individual image. So from this point, it's just going to be my job to put everything together. And this is something that you can't necessarily do within the AI Studio. You're going to have to go over to your editing software, whether you want to use Canva, CapCut, you can use Final Cut Pro, iMovie, Adobe Studio, whatever ones are out there. But let me just go over to CapCut. And I'm just going to come over to a new project and drag and drop the images that I got from the AI Studio. Okay, perfect. So each different image is now in the timeline. And what I can also do is download the AI voiceover as well by clicking on download over here. And then also drag and drop that into the timeline as well. And yeah, guys, that's the basic idea as to how it works. Now, of course, from this point, you can add anything you want to add. If you want to add captions to it, you can just click into this, click on auto captions, then click on generate. From there, what it's going to do is that it's going to analyze the script and it's going to put all of the captions in the right place. And yeah, guys, that's the basic idea as to how this works. Now, as I mentioned before, things are going to be a little bit manual if you did want to do it this way. But as promised, I'm going to show you an alternative way that you can start a faceless channel where you don't need to do any editing yourself. All you need to do is say what the video is about, describe how you want it to look, and then from there, it's going to generate a ready to upload video straight away. And the way that you're going to be able to do this is with Digital Maker AI. So if I didn't mention already, you can gain access to it by clicking the top link in the description down below. There's been some massive updates that's been made to this app, and I want to quickly share it with you. So if you don't already have an account, you can get one by clicking on get started for free, and you can either sign up using your Gmail or a regular email address. As you can see, over 20,000 people have already signed up. And I want to give a quick introduction for those of you that's not really sure what this tool is. By now, I'm sure most of you do know if you've been watching my channel for any amount of time. But yeah, you're going to be able to use this to generate digital products that you can sell through a faceless channel. And not only that, you can also use it to help you build your faceless channel as well, whether it's going to be the back end stuff like setting up the channel or making the actual videos. And the main upgrades that's been made to Digital Maker AI is going to be within the video maker. So if we just click into it, for those of you that have been using the video maker for the last few months, you would have noticed that the maximum length of video that you can generate was going to be 10 minutes long. However, now the upgrade is that you can now generate a 30-minute long form faceless video. So whether you wanted to generate a 1 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute video or 30 minute, you've got that option. And this is going to be within the ultimate plan that's going to give you more minutes for you to generate more videos per month as well. And as I've already said, it's super simple when using it, because if you want to generate a single scene video or multiple scene video, all you need to do is just click into it just like this. If you want the AI to write the script for you using one of the best script writers, you just need to select this. You can also paste your own script by selecting this option. And yeah, you just need to enter the title of the video. So I'm just going to go back to this one, get the title. I'm going to copy it and paste it in there just like this. Click on next. The visual style, I'm going to say that I want it to be motivational / dark moody. Let's go with that. And over here, you can add all of your effects. So if you want to add a zoom in, zoom out effect, you can select this one. If you want to also add a film grain flicker, that's going to be an overlay, you can select this. If you want the script to read out a call to action, e.g. telling the viewer to subscribe to your channel, maybe like the video or comment down below, you can select any one of these, but I'm going to turn all of them on. Down here, you can select the style of subtitles that you want to use. So I'm just going to go with this one. And if you did want to add a recurring character to your videos, you've also got that option by selecting this, but I'm going to leave it how it is and just make it a general motivational video. Let's click on next. And yeah, it's going to be on this page where you can select up to 30 minutes long. So for the sake of today's example, because it can take some time for the video to generate because it's doing everything from scratch, it's editing it from scratch, it's going to produce everything from scratch. I'm just going to select this one. And on this screen, you can now select the AI voiceover that you want to use. So there's more options available now. We've got 6 different women, 6 different men, and more is always going to be added. So let's go with this one. You can preview the voices, by the way, by selecting all of these different icons on the right side, but I've already heard it, so I'm going to click on next. And then I'm going to say that I want the pacing to be standard. And there we go, guys. Just like that, as you can see, the video is now being generated. It's going to go through the script, the voiceover, each different scene, and it's going to edit everything together so that you don't have to do it yourself. So I'm going to wait for this to be done. And as soon as it's finished, I'm going to be back straight away. Okay, guys, I'm back. And as we can see, it looks like the video is now finished. So what I'm going to do is just play a short snippet of it, maybe 1 minute of it, maybe less than that, because I want you guys to get the point as to the type of videos that you're going to be able to go away and make yourself. So let me just click on play.
Machiavelli understood something most men never grasp. You're not failing because you lack talent or opportunity. You're failing because you've been conditioned to chase approval instead of power. That single distinction separates the men who dominate from the men who disappear. If you're ready to understand how to actually build leverage in your life, subscribe so you don't miss what comes next. Here's the brutal truth. Most men scatter their energy across 10 different directions, seeking validation from people who don't matter. They post, they people please, they dilute themselves into irrelevance. Dangerous focus demands something different. It means cutting away everything that doesn't serve your singular objective. And if this distinction is landing for you, drop a like. It means your reputation becomes a weapon, not a liability. You control the narrative. You move with intention. And yes, It demands you abandon comfort. It demands you betray the mediocrity around you. It demands you become someone most people won't understand or like. That's not punishment.
So yeah, guys, that's the video that it was able to generate. If I did want to update anything in it, all I need to do is to scroll down here. I can make any changes to any of the different scenes. I can change anything in the script. I can even upload my own image to replace it. So yeah, there's a lot of flexibility if I did want to make any changes to this video. But yeah, from this, I'm sure that you understand how you can use either the Google AI Studio to help you start up the side hustle, or if you wanted to use Digital Maker AI to help you, you can do that as well. In the world that we're living in, there's so many possibilities and it's all about picking the right one for you. Don't forget, you can check out Digital Maker AI, top link in the description. I may also put a coupon code down below as well. But if you've enjoyed this video, you've learned anything, you got any sort of value from it, don't forget to press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that YouTube can let you know once a new video has been released. And if you want to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago, where in this video, I'm going to be able to expand on some other ways that you can monetize from a faceless channel other than AdSense. Because if you remember from the Faceless Finder, all of these different estimated revenues are mainly AdSense, and there's so many other ways that you can earn from a channel, e.g. digital products, we've got affiliate income, we've got brand deals, and yeah, I made a video explaining how you can get started with some alternative income streams. So if you want to watch that, I'm going to leave it on the screen right there. Be sure to watch that straight after this because that video has helped out countless people. And I'm sure if you're able to watch it from the very start all the way to the very end, it's going to be able to help you out as well. But other than that, guys, I'm going to catch you on that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.